GK questions for you. The first one is, which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Option A, lion. Option B, elephant. Option C, camel. Option D, donkey. Your time start now. The answer is C, camel. The second question is, how many days are there in a year? Option A, 400 days. Option B, 200 days. Option C, 365 days. Option D, 300 days. Your time start now. The answer is C, 365 days. The third question is, name the national heritage animal of India. Option A, camel. Option B, elephant. Option C, lion. Option D, horse. Your time start now. The answer is option B, elephant. The fourth question is, how many seconds make 1 hour? Option A, 3600 seconds. Option B, 2500 seconds. Option C, 4000 seconds. Option D, 3000 seconds. Your time start now. Your answer is option A, 3600 seconds. The fifth question is, how many consonants are there in the English alphabet? Option A, 20 alphabets. Option B, 30 alphabets. Option C, 21 alphabets. Option D, 19 alphabets. Your time start now. The answer is 21 alphabets. Sixth question is, which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Option A, tiger. Option B, lion. Option C, elephant. Option D, fox. Your time start now. The answer is B, lion. Seventh question is, name the national bird of India. Option A, peacock. Option B, hummingbird. Option C, kingfisher. Option D, parrot. The time start now. The answer is A, peacock. The eighth question is, name the national fruit of India. Option A, apple. Option B, mango. Option C, strawberry. Option D, pineapple. Your time start now. The answer is B, mango. Ninth question is, what is the capital of India? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Bangalore. Option C, Hyderabad. Option D, New Delhi. Your time start now. The answer is option D, New Delhi. 10th question is, who designed the national flag of India? Option A, Pingali Venkaiah. Option B, Shivaji. Option C, Ramanaidu. Option D, Venkana Reddy. Your time start now. The answer is option A, Pingali Venkaiah. Thank you.